Duffus Castle, near Elgin, Moray, Scotland, was a motte-and-bailey castle and was in use from circa 1140 to 1705. During its occupation it underwent many alterations. The most fundamental was the destruction of the original wooden structure and its replacement with one of stone. Duffus Castle stands in open countryside 1.5 miles southeast of Duffus, 3 miles southwest of Lossiemouth, and 3 miles northwest of Elgin. Medieval stronghold belonging to the Moray family and was a successful fortress that acted as a residence for more than 500 years, from the 1100s until the 1700s. Duffus Castle is situated on the Lake of Moray, a fertile plain previously swampy foreshore of Spiny Loch. This location was actually a much more defensive position than it now appears. Mottes were common in Scotland during the 1100s and 1200s, until stone castles replaced them. Mottes were fortifications that usually consisted of a wooden keep on top of a vast mound. Some fortresses also had an enclosed courtyard or bailey, which would contain additional wooden buildings, which were protected by a ditch and palisade. The castle was built here by Elgin, a Flemish man who came to Scotland in the first half of the 1100s. In about 1270, the castle passed to Sir Reginald Cheney the Elder, Lord of Inverugie. The stone castle seen today was constructed around the 1300s, replacing an earlier timber fortress. Duffus Castle was set out with steep sides and a wide ditch separating it from the bailey. The whole site was then enclosed by a water-filled ditch, which was actually more to mark its boundary than a serious defensive measure. Sometime after 1689, Lord Duffus moved to the nearby Duffus House and the castle quickly fell into decay. Today, the castle ruins remain an impressive sight, situated on a mound rising out of the flat Lake of Moray.